Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to present about ethanol. So for the introduction of ethanol is in alcohol group with the functional group is hydroxyl OH, and for the molecular formula is CH3CH2OH with the 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen, and the functional group of ethanol, which is OH, is attached to the carbon number 1. So ethanol is produced by fermentation process of sugars by yeast or via petrochemical processes such as ethylene hydration. And for the characteristic, ethanol is volatile, flammable, colorless liquid with a characteristic wine-like odor and pungent taste.
Let's take a look for physical and chemical properties for ethanol. For boiling point, ethanol has a boiling point of 78.5 Celsius or 173 Fahrenheit at standard atmospheric pressure. For the melting point, ethanol has a melting point of negative 114.5 Celsius or negative 174 Fahrenheit. Ethanol physical state at room temperature is 25 Celsius, and the color of ethanol is colorless liquid.
For the benefit and uses of this compound, we have uses, benefits, and environmental consideration. First of all, we have the uses of ethanol. In industrial application, ethanol is widely used as a solvent in various industries, including pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and personal care products. Other than that, it is used as a biofuel, additive, and as a component in gasoline. Last but not least, ethanol serves as a precursor in the production of other chemicals such as ethyl acetate. Next is the benefit, industrial and economic impact. Ethanol production supports agriculture economies through demand for crops like corn and sugarcane used in biofuel production. It contributes significantly to the beverage industry and associated with economic activities. Last but not least, we have environmental consideration. For renewable energy source, ethanol is considered as renewable and sustainable fuel alternative to fossil fuel, which contribute to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Next, we have biodegradability. Ethanol is biodegradable, which reduce environmental impact compared to other chemical solvents.
Next, for the first chemical reaction, ethanol will undergo oxidation. Ethanol is a primary alcohol, so it can be oxidized to aldehyde and carboxylic acid. So ethanol can be oxidized to ethanol, which is in aldehyde, and further to ethanoic acid, which is carboxylic acid. We use catalyst sulfuric acid, H2SO4, or potassium dichromate acid, K2CR2O7, with presence of SCH+. So ethanol will undergo oxidation to form acetaldehyde and furthermore to acetic acid using the catalyst.
The second chemical reaction is dehydration. Ethanol can dehydrate using aluminum oxide. This reaction produces ethylene, also known as ethylene and water. The catalyst is aluminum oxide.
In conclusion, to conclude everything about ethanol, ethanol is the primary alcohol in beverage, which induces relaxation and euphoria while impairing judgment and motor skill upon ingestion. It poses health risks like liver disease and addiction through acetaldehyde production during liver metabolism. Socially and legally regulated, it is excessive use can lead to legal issues and strained relationship. By balancing short-term effect with long-term health consequence is essential for informed alcohol consumption decision.